In today's video, I am going to show you how to edit the cover of your videos that are posted on TikTok. I am Digital Granny, and let's get started. Go into, as soon as you uploaded your video, you're going to click on Edit Cover. Up comes your video, and then at the bottom, you can see these different covers that they give you. So let's take this bright yellow. Click on it again. You can type in granny, whatever it is you want to type in. And I can't spell today. Okay. Now you can make this bigger, tilt it, whatever you want to do. Let's tilt it. And then you can drag it wherever. You see the line pops up? That means you are centered. Okay. If that's what you want to do and you like it, click save. There you go. There's your cover. Then you can do your description, your hashtags, everything else that you need, and then you can click post. I hope that helps you with editing the cover. If you have any other questions, drop them in the comments. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. It does help push this out to other people who may need it. Thank you so much.